welcome back to my channel. So I know it has been like forever since I have posted a video, but it's because I've been so busy traveling. I mean, it's summer and it looks like you guys are all traveling and enjoying your summer too, so I don't think you missed much over here on the channel, but I do want to let you guys know that I just got my Boxycharm and I'm always super excited about this. I'm actually in the Virgin Islands right now, which is super exciting for Miss Universe Virgin Islands, and I'll be hosting the red carpet, and I did hair and makeup, and it's just super duper fun. But I grabbed this on the way out so that I could do my unboxing for you. So let's just go ahead and get right into it. Okay, so I am like loving how Boxycharm is making these little like booklet type things. Instead of just like a little flyer, it really goes through everything that you get, and oh my god, I just peeked. There's like a lot of good stuff in here. And the theme for this month is life of the party. Like, hello, it's August, we're just wrapping up summer and we just want to be glam for that. So, oh my god, I just opened up my box to this. I see lashes. Oh my god. Okay, let's get right into it. I'm going for the lashes. So I've got House of Lashes. These are like a really like bougie brand of lashes, and these are the Demura Light. So they're a little bit on the wispier side. Like maybe I would wear them every day, but since I'm like a drag queen, I definitely want something heavier for when I go full glam. Oh my god, up next, like literally Boxycharm never fails at spoiling you, okay? Like listen, this Boxycharm is literally like $19 to $21 a month, and I just got another full-size palette. Like literally every month I get a palette. This one is the Laura Lee Cosmetics Party Animal, so we get a chance to try Laura Lee's cosmetics line. Oh my god, look at these colors. So Morphe just discontinued their super colorful palette, which was kind of a disappointment, but you don't even need them anymore because look, you have all the bright colors that you need right here. You can get really creative and festive with these. I'm loving these neons. Up next, I love the name of this line. I've never heard of it. It's Bang Beauty. It's another gel eyeliner. So if you don't remember, I think like 2 months ago I got like this gigantic pot of black gel eyeliner, and I just got another one, but it's not black, so they're not being repetitive. I'm getting something totally different. It's chocolate. It's so pretty. So I don't know if you've noticed, but Makeup by Ariel loves to do like a little like wing on Kylie, but it's never black. It's always like a nice like taupe or brown color, and I feel like this is the perfect color for like a natural look. You could do a wing just like Kylie's and it would just be amazing. So I cannot wait to try this one. By the way, speaking of Makeup by Ariel, I got to meet him like a week ago in LA. It was amazing, and I took a class by Chris Appleton. He knows Ariana Grande's hair, Nicki Minaj, J-Lo, Kim Kardashian. Obviously, he just did Kylie's hair for her 21st birthday. So I'll do a little like recap video and maybe do like a look that he shared with us, like a recreation that's inspired by the class, so you guys can get a little peek at what I learned from the class. Okay, so even though I'm like super happy with what's in my Boxycharm already, I have more stuff, and I got these from another, it might have been Ipsy, because I don't think that, maybe it was Boxycharm. Let me know in the comments below if you got these before. But I definitely have these in my refrigerator because I keep my eye masks in the refrigerator. These are 24 karat gold baggage claim eye masks. And yeah, I refrigerate them. They're cold. I put them on in the morning, especially when I have like 5 a.m. call times and stuff. It really helps to just like keep this whole area super smooth, and you can see that it worked. And I actually really wish I did this like yesterday, because this morning I woke up at 6 in the morning and my bags were like pretty bad, so I had to like ice my eyes because I didn't know that I had these in my suitcase in my Boxycharm. Okay, this I had no idea what it was. This is from NCLA Los Angeles Treatments. It's vitamin infused cuticle oil. There's a little dropper in there and it's so fine that you can't even see it, but it's oil for your cuticles. And a fun tip about cuticle oil is that if you use that on your cuticles all the time, if you have like acrylic or gel nails, it'll actually keep the nails from lifting. So if you have like a lifting problem, you know when it like starts getting caught in your hair and stuff, your manicure will last longer if you use the cuticle oil. So fun tip. And last thing in my Boxycharm is Metal Mouth Smashbox full size, another bougie brand. I mean, like this is stuff like from Sephora. Once again, it's a full-size chrome liquid lipstick. Oh my god. I'm trying to get this out so I can see what it looks like. Okay, that just took like 10 hours, but look at this color. Oh my god, the camera is not doing it justice. I'll do a close-up and an overlay of this because it is like gorgeous. Like, it literally looks like a ruby or something. I'm not a red lip person, so you'll probably see this in an upcoming giveaway, but I hope that you guys enjoyed my unboxing. I don't want to say that's it because that was a lot, but that was my box for the month. And if you want to learn more about Boxycharm, I feel like at this point literally everyone is subscribed, but if for some reason you're not, go ahead and click the link down below so you can get your own box of full-size goodies every month. They literally spoil you. I've always been happy with every box, so go ahead and treat yourself. Thank you guys so much for watching, and be ready for a lot more videos because I'm back, girl.